Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, where we're diving into everything new from Microsoft Ignite 2025. This year's event brought game-changing updates across AI, Microsoft 365, Azure, Copilot, Fabric, security, and dev tools, impacting IT admins, developers, business leaders, and tech enthusiasts alike. Microsoft went all in on AI again, focusing on making Copilot replace tasks you do every day rather than just announcing its existence. Copilot for Microsoft 365 now features auto actions, automating repetitive workflows across Outlook, Teams, SharePoint, and Planner without any coding. Copilot Studio 2.0 allows building full agentic systems with multi-step automations, memory, and connected data sources, combining the power of Zapier, Power Automate, and ChatGPT agents. In Teams, the AI meeting director provides real-time cues, conversation summaries, action item distribution, and participation breakdowns, eliminating the need for a dedicated note-taker. Copilot for Windows now operates at a system level, understanding apps, controlling your PC, and managing settings and tasks through a local cloud hybrid model. Microsoft Fabric continues its takeover of the analytics world with major updates, including the Real-Time Intelligence Hub. This hub offers a single pane for streaming data, security events, IoT, and application telemetry, while the AI-powered data activator triggers real-time actions across your data ecosystem. Fabric's universal semantic model integrates Power BI, SQL, Lakehouse, and third-party tools, and notebooks now support Python, R, and Gen AI for seamless ML model building. Azure is now a full AI supercloud, with Azure OpenAI releasing GPT-5, Sora, Omni, and multimodal APIs. These APIs offer faster inference, lower costs, vision, voice, and video endpoints, fine-tuning across modalities, and secure tenant-isolated training. The Azure AI Agent Service allows building multi-agent systems with memory, safety, and orchestration for enterprise workflows, complemented by AI safety guardrails for enterprise-grade filtering and policy controls. Security is becoming AI first, with Defender XDR gaining an AI attack simulator, autonomous incident response, and Copilot-driven root cause explanations. Sentinel now integrates real-time with Fabric, offers immediate alert correlation via AI agents, and converts KQL to natural language. Microsoft Entra introduces Adaptive Access 2.0, passwordless expansion, AI risk-based access, and a new permissions management dashboard. Microsoft 365 sees productivity boost with Outlook's Smart Tree Off, automatic cleanup, and Copilot-generated email workflows. SharePoint Premium 2.0 offers AI-powered document tagging, automated metadata, summarization, and compliance classification. Power BI now enables natural language dashboard creation, enhanced Fabric integration, Copilot-generated DAX, and a performance accelerator for large datasets. Windows 11 updates include Copilot pinned and always available, multimodal input for accessibility, and a task automation engine. Next-gen Surface Pro and laptop devices feature dedicated NPUs for AI workloads, over 20 hours of battery life, AI camera features, and one-touch Copilot activation. Azure Cloud upgrades include Azure Arc, allowing deployment of cloud services to any infrastructure, even outside Azure. Azure Kubernetes Service AutoOps provides self-healing clusters, automated patching, and predictive scaling, while Azure Quantum Elements advances AI-driven computational chemistry. Azure Confidential VMs offer encrypted memory and CPU isolation, ideal for finance, healthcare, and compliance-sensitive workloads. Developer tools also received significant updates, with GitHub Copilot Workspace offering instant code-base understanding, test generation, code explanation, and Copilot-driven debugging. Power Platform 2025 supports fully AI-generated apps, natural language to Power Automate, no-code AI agent builders, and one-click API connectors. So what does all this mean for businesses? Businesses will adopt AI faster than ever, with Copilot becoming a mandatory productivity layer. Fabric will become the go-to analytics platform, security will be proactive, and Azure will solidify its position as the world's most integrated AI cloud. Development is moving into a hybrid agentic and no-code world, making this the perfect time to integrate AI workflows into your products. That wraps up everything new from Microsoft Ignite 2025. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights.